Motion. What is motion? Motion is the movement of an object from one position to another position. Examples of objects in motion are cars, bikes, the earth, the moon, and even us humans. When something is not moving, it is said to be at rest. Take a roller coaster for example. If it is not moving, it is said to be at rest. Once people sit in the seats and the ride begins, it is said to be in motion. Now, you may wonder, what makes an object go from at rest to being in motion? It is called force. There are different types of forces. When a force is applied to an object, it starts moving. This force can be in the form of a push or a pull. For example, only when we kick a soccer ball, it moves forward. We are kicking it forward. An example of pulling is when we pull the door open. There are different types of motion. Linear motion. Motion which occurs in a straight line is called linear motion. An example of a linear motion is an elevator moving up and down between floors. Periodic motion. Periodic motion occurs when an object performs the same task after a given time period. An example of this could be a pendulum that moves back and forth on a grandfather clock every few seconds. Circular motion. Circular motion occurs when an object rotates or moves along a circular path. An example could be a Ferris wheel at an amusement park. Projectile motion. Projectile motion is when an object thrown in the air takes a curved path due to gravity and no other forces. An example of this is when you throw a ball into the air. Like what you've learned? Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more future content.